Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Ryan's Garage. It's a rainy Sunday mid-morning. I wasn't going to make a video on this, but I thought, you know what? It's going so well. Let's try it and see what happens. So today we're back working on the short bed project, which none of you gave me a name for. Shame on you. You guys suck. You know? Anyway, so today what we're doing is we're going to measure pushrod length. Okay? The pushrods that were in the vehicle, or in the engine I should say, were incorrect. You can tell by that. You see that the rocker arm was literally rubbing the rocker arm stand, or the rocker arm stud, this, down here on the bottom. So the push rods were way too short. Luckily, it didn't swallow a valve. If the push rod is too short, the rocker arm, right here, will literally, let me see if I can get you a video of this, will literally roll off. Let me get you tight here, sorry. I'm bouncing all around. The rocker arm will literally roll off the valve onto the keeper, onto the retainer. It'll pop the retainer loose, and then gulp, down goes the valve. Okay, so we don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do today is we're going to measure how, or we're going to set up or figure out how long of a push rod we need for this engine. So as you can see, I have removed the push rod guide because my push rod tool, this bad boy right here, is too thick. So I've removed the guide, and now we're going to figure out how long the push rods need to be. You can see the end of this here. Where's the camera at? You can see the end of this here. It's adjustable. So on both sides, you can turn them in and literally make the whole chinkadera as long as you like. So we're going to stick this into the push rod hole, okay, like that. We're going to put the rocker arm back on, adjust the rocker arm, and then we're going to spin the motor over twice. Now you'll notice I've colored the top of the valve, okay, with a Sharpie. As this thing rolls over, it will leave a mark on the push rod, or on the top of the valve, hopefully, and we'll see where we're at, okay? So sit tight, let me get the camera set up for you guys so you can check this out. This won't be a very long video, I promise. It won't be a 45-minute or 44. All right, sit tight, right back. All right, I got you a nice close-up right there. Hopefully you can see it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the rocker arm on. Make sure my push rod adjuster is in place. I'm going to slide this down a little bit. You can kind of see it there. Get this thing lined up here. Like this. Now what I'm going to do is, this is a hydraulic roller lifter cam, so I'm just going to compress the push rod down a little bit, just to put a little tension on the lifter, okay, because the lifter is not bumped up yet. So what we're looking for here is we want to make sure, sorry, I'm so shaky today. We want to make sure that the rocker arm rides right in the center. Come on, focus. There we go. Right in the center of the valve, okay? So we roll the engine over twice. Come on. Down it goes, up it goes. Down it goes again. And we're pretty good right there, actually. I just guessed at it. We'll give it one more turn just to be sure. You can see the motion of the rocker arm. Okay. All right, let's see how we did. So we'll take it back apart. Take the rocker arm off. Let's see where we're at. You can see the scratch mark that it left in the valve, in the top of the valve, right in the center there. That's about where we want to be. I'm going to play around with it a little bit and try to get it to move that way on the valve. But there you have it. That is how you figure out push rod length for the wicked 5-liter engine. Hopefully wicked, we'll see. But anyway, there you have it. Another episode of Ryan's Garage. Otherwise, we've actually cleaned the garage because it was an absolute pigsty. You can now, well, not that bench, but that bench, you can actually see the bench now. So, you know, progress. So that's about it. Hope you're having a great day. Eventually, once the pickup leaves, this is our next victim right here. We are going to jump on this car big time. All right, we got to get this thing done. I want to have this car running before long. All right, thanks for watching. And like I always say, learn something today, otherwise tomorrow, what will happen? That's right. Somebody's going to call you a shithead. Thanks for watching.